Today we start in chapter 4, solved example number 16, 17 and 18. First we solve example number 16. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0 and hence find the nature of its roots. हमें पहले क्या करना है, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन दिया है उसका हमें रूट्स फाइंड करना है. रूट्स फाइंड करने के बाद हमें नेचर ऑफ द रूट्स भी फाइंड करनी है. फिर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट फाइंड करना है, उसके बाद नेचर ऑफ द रूट. तो गिवन देयर इज 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. First we find the discriminant and then after its nature of the root. Okay, here 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. To comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to coefficient of x square that is equal to 2, b is equal to coefficient of x that is negative 4, and c is a constant term that is 3. Substitute a, b, c in value in discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Therefore, b is equal to negative 4 square minus 4, a is equal to 2, and c is equal to 3. Therefore, 4 square 16, 4 to the 8th and 24, 16 minus 24. Therefore, d is equal to negative 8. Negative 8 means there is a less than 0. If d less than 0, remember the theory part. D is less than 0, so the given equation has no real roots. D की value negative है. That means we cannot find the real roots. Therefore, real root not exist means solutions are not exist. Example number 18. Find the discriminant of the equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0 and hence find the nature of its root. Find them if they are real. साथ में हमें पहले फाइंड क्या करना है, एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन दिया है उसका हमें डिस्क्रिमिनेंट फाइंड करना है. डिस्क्रिमिनेंट फाइंड करने के बाद हमें नेचर ऑफ द रूट्स फाइंड करने हैं और साथ में ये भी देखना है देन इफ दे आर रियल, उसके रूट्स रियल है कि नहीं वो भी चेक करना है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट सी हियर इक्वेशन इज 3x minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. 3 multiply whole equation multiply by 3, that is 3 to the 9x minus 3 to the 6x. 3 multiply with 1 divided by 3, that is 1 is equal to 0 because equation is multiplied by 3. To comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, therefore a is equal to 9, a is equal to 9, b is equal to negative 6 and c is equal to 1. Substitute all these value in discriminant. B square minus 4ac, that is negative 6 square minus 4 into a is equal to 9 and c is equal to 1. Negative 6 square that is 36 minus 9 for the 36 on the 36. 36 minus 36, therefore discriminant will be 0. If discriminant is 0, so the given equation has real and equal roots. So therefore roots are real and equal if d is equal to 0. Roots are real and equal. Both roots are real and equal, therefore alpha and beta both are negative b by 3. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to negative. B is equal to negative 6 divided by 2 into a, that means 9. Negative positive 6 divided by 9 to the 18. That is equal to both numbers are divisible by 6. 6 to the 6, 6 to the 18. Therefore both roots are alpha and beta both are equal roots. Therefore roots are equal and equal roots are 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Okay friends? This is an important question for your example. For your exam. तो ये याद रखना है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. एग्जांपल नंबर 17. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular path of diameter 13 meter. एक सर्कुलर पाथ दिया है. यहाँ पे मैंने एक पोल साइड में हमें बाउंड्री ऊपर एक पोल P नाम का एक पोल है और डायमीटर का लेंथ है. इस सर्कुलर पार्ट ऑफ डायमीटर इज 30. डायमीटर कितना है सर्कल का? 13 मीटर. AB is the diameter of the circle. AB is 30 meter. In such a way that the difference of its distance from the two diametrically opposite fixed gate A and B. A and B दो opposite gate है. यहाँ पे गेट A है और यहाँ पे गेट B है. दोनों opposite direction में गेट है. ओके, और उन दोनों का डिफरेंस पोल से डिफरेंस बाउंड्री इज 7 मीटर। दोनों के पोल ए से पोल बी का डिफरेंस कितना है? पोल बी टू बीपी एंड बीए का डिफरेंस है 7 मीटर। Difference of its distance from the two diametrically opposite fixed gate A and B in the boundary is 7 meter. AP और BP का डिस्टेंस का डिफरेंस है 7 मीटर। ये सबसे मेन पार्ट है। Is it possible to do so? अगर पॉसिबल है, if yes, at what distance from the two gates should the pole to be erected? तो पोल से उनका डिस्टेंस क्या होगा वो हमें फाइंड करना, मींस BP and AP हमें दोनों फाइंड करना है। क्वेश्चन में समझना है AB है 10 मीटर दैट इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर। BP और AP का डिफरेंस कितना है? 7 मीटर। लेट BP इज x मीटर, P be a pole, BP is equal to x मीटर, AP and BP AP minus BP is equal to 7 मीटर। Difference between two gates from the point P is 7 meter. Therefore AP minus BP is equal to 7 meter. Therefore AP BP is equal to x, AP minus x is equal to 7. Therefore AP is equal to x plus 7. AP का डिस्टेंस कितना होगा? x plus 7. BP is equal to x. In triangle APB angle P is a 90 because semicircle angle made with a semicircle is always 90. ये पूरा पार्ट क्या होगा? सेमी सर्कल, और सेमी सर्कल में कोई भी एंगल कितना होता है? 90 होता है। ओके, ये सबसे मेन पार्ट है, याद रखना। एंगल APB is equal to 90 because angle is a semicircle. By Pythagoras theorem, AB is a hypotenuse, therefore AB square is equal to AP square plus BB square by Pythagoras theorem. AP is equal to x plus 7, BP is equal to x, therefore x plus 7 whole square plus x square, that is equal to AB, that is 13 square. Therefore x plus 7 whole square, that is x square plus 14x plus 49. Simplify by a plus b whole square identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square plus bp square means x square, that is equal to 169 13 square. X square plus x, that is 2x square plus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. Whole equation divided by 2, that is x square plus 7x minus 16 is equal to 0. Splitting the middle term, factor of 60 is equal to 12 into 5 and 7 is equal to 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Therefore, splitting the middle term, x square plus 12x minus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. Here x is common, therefore x plus 12 another term and minus 5 is common, x plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, one factor is x plus 12, another factor is x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to negative 12 and x is equal to 5. Negative side is not possible in a distance from pole P is not possible. Therefore, BP is equal to x is equal to 5 meter and AP is equal to x plus 7, that is equal to 5 plus 7, that is equal to 12 meter. A distance of 5 meter from the pole B and 12 meter from the pole A. Pole P से pole B का P से B का डिस्टेंस है 5 मीटर और pole P से A का डिस्टेंस है 12 meter. Okay, therefore 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean, we can easily solve it. Okay, thank you friends.